Hello, in this video, I will be talking about U substitution method for integration. So firstly, what is a U substitution? Substitution method is a method that can be used to solve difficult integration, just like this one. Okay, so why am I saying that this is quite difficult integration? Because the highest power is 6 and we cannot solve this problem just like that. If the highest power was 1 or 2, maybe we can solve it. But since it is to the power of 6, we have to use another method to solve the problem. So for U substitution, there are 5 steps that we need to go through. So the first step to do this method is to find which integrand that we can choose to substitute with the letter U. So in this case, we let U equal to x squared plus 2. Okay. And then we can continue with 2xu to the power of 6 dx. Okay, note that this is dx. So we need to change dx to du. So the integration can be done. So u is equal to x squared plus 2, and then we du over dx equal to 2x. Then dx is equal to du over 2x. Once you have dx, we can put this back and we will going to write it back. So dx is equal to u to the power of 6. So we change dx to du over 2x. So we now can cancel out 2x with 2x. And it will give us u to the power of 6 du. Now we can integrate this simply. So u to the power of 6, u to the power of 7 divided by 7 plus c. So we take the original u, which was x squared plus 2 to the power of 7 plus c. So this is how you solve using U substitution method. Let me have another example for this. Let's have 2 minus 5x to the power of 4 dx. U is equal to 2 minus 5x. And then we substitute that with u. So this one's dx. Since it is dx, so we need to du over dx. Differentiate 2 minus 5x will give us negative 5. So dx is equal to du over negative 5. So dx, we put it in there, dx, so times by du over negative 5. So negative 5 we can put it in front, so 1 over 5 u to the power of 4 and du. So u to the power of 4, we can integrate it simply. U to the power of 5 divided by 5 and then plus c. So the answer will be negative u to the power of 5 divided by 25 plus c. And then we will put the original number, which was 2 minus 5x to the power of 5 divided by 25 plus c. So this is the answer. What if we have 4x minus 1 divided by 4x squared minus 2x plus 1 dx. So which one do you think going to be the numerator or the denominator? So in this case, are we going to choose the denominator to substitute with u? U is equal to 4x squared minus 2x plus 1, and then we du over dx, we differentiate the denominator, and we will get 8x minus 2, and then our dx will be du over 8x minus 2, right? Then what we can do is we write this back, and then dx, we have the substitution ready, so du over 8x minus 2. Okay, so we already have that. So now 8x minus 2 is equal to 2 times 4x minus 1. So I will going to take this and put it here. Okay, because we have 4x minus 1 and another 4x minus 1 there, so we can cancel this out. So what we can do is 2 in the bracket 4x minus 1, and then we can simply cancel this out. So we bring 1 over 2 in front, u to the power of negative 1 over 2 du, and we can simply finish off our work. So we can integrate easily now, right? So u negative 1 over 2 plus 1 will give us 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. And so I'm just going to continue here. So the remaining will be u to the power of 1 over 2, right? And then plus c. Okay, and then we take back the original number for that, which was 4x squared minus 2x plus 1, and then lastly plus c, and do not forget about 1 over 2. So that is basically how you want to solve this problem. Let me give you another example. Let's have x over square root of 2 plus x. So now again, which one would you like to substitute with? The numerator or the denominator? So again, I will going to choose the denominator. So u is equal to 2 plus x, and then we differentiate this, and we're going to get 1. Du is equal to dx. In this case, du over dx is equal to 1, and the answer will be du over dx, which will not going to solve this in any ways. Okay, what we can do is we can move these 2 to the other side. So it will be x is equal to u minus 2. Here we have x and here we have x, and we can substitute them. So when you substitute these x's with u minus 2, it is much more simpler for you to do so. So once you have this, we can simplify this, u minus 2 divided by square root of u and then du. So in this case, we can separate. We can make a separation between u and 2. So it will be like this, du, and then we're going to get 1 over 2, since 1 minus half is 1 over 2. And minus 2 negative 1 over 2 du. So now we can integrate simply. Okay, so u to the power of 3 over 2, 1 plus 1 over 2 is 3 over 2, divided by 3 over 2, and then minus 2 u to the power of 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2, and then lastly we will going to get 2 over 3 u to the power of 3 over 2 minus 4 u to the power of 1 over 2, and then plus c. And at the end, we change u to its original number, so 2 plus x. 3 over 2 minus 4, 2 plus x, 2 plus c. So this is the answer.